This is Lisa Balseric from IMTS TV here with Matthew Mayer from RÖHM and Mike Powell from Master WorkHolding to talk about a new announcement. Matthew, tell us, what is your new announcement?
Well, we're excited to announce that RÖHM Products of America has made the acquisition of Master WorkHolding.
We're very happy to be part of the RÖHM family. This adds a lot of value to what Master WorkHolding already does. We have similar customer base, and we have often the same customer base. So now we'll be able to offer our customers more than either one of us could before.
So what does this acquisition mean for your customers?
Well, for RÖHM Products of America, this really helps us diversify our product lines and be able to offer a full WorkHolding solution product portfolio for our customer base, whether it's turning applications, milling applications, or automation. Behind us, we have a robotic cell that demonstrates the connection between all those key WorkHolding components, including automation. So we're showing the complete changeover from one workpiece to a second workpiece, including changing of the WorkHolding devices on the display to simulate a complete changeover in a production environment for a horizontal lathe and a machining center that has a fixture from Master WorkHolding.
For our customers, it allows us to offer more than just the prismatic WorkHolding, the stationary WorkHolding. Oftentimes we get involved in projects and we've only been able to supply the stationary prismatic WorkHolding, and our customers have asked us about rotating WorkHolding. So with the partnership with RÖHM, being a subsidiary of RÖHM, we now can offer a total solution to our customers. And so that makes us a more valuable supplier to all of our customers, both on the RÖHM side and on the Master WorkHolding side.
In addition, for RÖHM Products of America, this now brings us a local manufacturing base. So we can react much faster to our customers' needs by being able to bring chucks over from our factories in Germany, but adapt them locally to the customer's workpiece and machine tool.
Often, RÖHM Products supplies a chuck to the customers, but it needs special top tooling. So we're already involved in the special top tooling, both in the design and in the manufacturing of the top tooling. And as Matthew said, that helps with our response time. It makes it much easier for us to get responsive to the customer and get them a solution quicker.
So now that the two of you have combined forces, what does this mean for the manufacturing industry as a whole?
Well, once again, we're able to provide a complete solution for our customer base. Many WorkHolding companies specialize in one area or another, and now with this connection, we can supply pretty much any project depending on size of the customer's application, but be able to take it whether it's a turning project or a milling project or automation project.
It's true. This has really energized our sales forces. So now when our sales force enters a customer's facility, they know we have a solution for them. Regardless of what the issue is, as long as it's a part that's being machined, we have a solution.
That was Matthew Mayer from RÖHM and Mike Powell from Master WorkHolding talking about the recent acquisition. For IMTS TV, this is Lisa Balseric.